Hey boys and girls, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing a demo dog today from Stranger Things. All right, so to start with, we're going to draw the head here, tail over here. So we're going to start with a V, and then we're going to curve it around and make like a teardrop kind of leaf shape. And we're going to curve it around and do another one. Curve it around, do another one. And we're going to curve it around and do our last one. Then we're going to draw the little teeth things. And I'm just using like letter V's. And then we've got a circle of little teethies in here. There we go. And then comes the body. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna draw a line coming up, and then we're gonna come around with the stripey on him, like that, and it kind of sticks up a little bit. Then we're gonna come down, and we're gonna draw the next stripey, which is kind of like, it looks like a hook when it starts, so like this kind of upside down J. And then we're gonna come out from underneath that, and there is his whippy little tail. And then that's gonna come back and stop quite a bit in front of this because we've got this hind leg. So I'm gonna bring this up just a little more. Okay, so since he is a dog, his leg comes down, back, and in front, and then he's got his little dog claws. I wonder if he has to have them trimmed. And then it comes around, comes back up, and then when it comes up here to his hind quarter, it kind of gets bigger, like so. Okay, then we're gonna draw a line that comes over, and it's gonna line up with the back of the little head thing, okay? Because this is where his front paw, or front leg's gonna be, but we gotta draw his other back leg. But it's on the other side of this line. So we're gonna start by coming down and then coming forward. And it's going to be slightly higher than this one because it's in back. And then there's his little paw. And then it comes back and gets a little bit bigger at the top than right here. Okay, we got his hind legs, yay! All right, here is his front legs. So it's gonna start kind of in the middle here between these two things, and it's just gonna come down, and then it's gonna come forward, and it's gonna line up with kind of where that back paw is, and then we've got his little paws, and then it's gonna come forward, and then it's gonna get a little bit bigger up here. All right, we're doing great. Then here is his chest, and it's just gonna come up like so, from the arm to the flower, okay, head thing. I see a flower, but I don't know, whatever. Okay, then his front paw is closer to the flower, and it's just gonna be a little line coming like that. It's gonna be a shorter, it's not gonna go all the way down here, it's gonna stop. We've got his claws, and then comes up like so. And let's see what else. Well, we need to put him on the ground, so let's draw a little line. There you go, demo dog. And let's see, he is, gosh, where is he? Is he in the city? Should we draw a city? There we go. I'll just draw a little city back here, give him a sense of place. Woo. All right. And we'll just, there we go. All right, so we know he's in the city because he's in front of some buildings. Now I just need to color it. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thank you, Maniacs.